Hello everyone, my name is Julia, and I have a special announcement. The International Commission on Illumination, CIE, has released an updated position statement, CIE PS 002, 2025, which focuses on improved measurement of color quality in light sources. This update highlights the transition from the traditional CIE General Color Rendering Index, CRI, known as RAW, to the more modern CIE General Color Fidelity Index, RF. I will walk through the overall information on this subject. CRI and RAW has been the primary standard for assessing the color rendering of light sources since its introduction in 1965. However, the rapid development of lighting technologies, especially LED innovations, has revealed significant shortcomings in the RAW metric. These limitations are due to RAW's use of the outdated 1960 CIE UV color space and its reliance on only 8 color samples for evaluation. Moving to RF as the primary color fidelity metric brings several key benefits. Greater precision. RAF provides a more detailed assessment of a light source's ability to reproduce colors correctly, especially with advanced lighting technologies. Improved design and production. By using RF, manufacturers can develop lighting products that deliver better color performance for specific applications. Global consistency. The implementation of RCEF promotes consistent color quality standards across markets, facilitating international trade and regulatory compliance. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time.